If you are a business owner, then you most likely have a BOP policy, which stands for a business owner policy. The BOP 1, BOP 2, BOP 3. Or you could have a commercial package policy, also known as a CP 1010, CP 1020, CP 1030. Your business model typically dictates the kinds of coverage you will need to be properly insured. Your business model might not be the same as your neighbor's. You might be a barber, and your neighbor could be a contractor, or a florist, or a deli, or auto repair shop. All of these having different circumstances and requirements and concerns for being properly insured. Your business model will dictate the policy type you will want and or desire, what endorsements your business will need to specifically meet the demands, replacement costs, actual cash value, business interruption, loss of income, liability coverage. Endorsements customize your business to your specific needs by adding or deleting coverage. Endorsements are different for those businesses compared to the next. You or your agent need to be on the same page because the policy will be created by adding or deleting endorsements customized to your particular business model. For example, if for some reason a fire or any insurable loss cause your business to shut down, then you would want to make sure that you have business interruption coverage. Business income is explained as you will need to show income statements for the past year. This will help show appropriate amounts earned and even during any given month. If a mortgage or rent is due, you will need to show mortgage statements and lease agreements, payroll expenses, and a lot more. Can you operate at another location? Okay, you may be able to find a temporary location to work from. If so, then this could be covered. Creating detailed estimates is time consuming, but this must be done. This was a fire claim that we handled back. It was a small shopping center, and there was a lot of stock and goods, a lot of inventory that was damaged. Meats, eggs, dairy. It was just really nasty. Your business claim may consist of structural damage, business equipment, business property, stock, inventory, business interruption. Having an updated inventory at any given moment is a smart and critical when establishing dollar figures for damaged goods, saving time, expediting the claims process. On the other hand, the insurance company may elect to send out a vendor and do an inventory, going through each and every item on the shelves, in the closets, in storage, and coming up with their inventory and their loss. Unless you hire one yourself or have a contract to perform this task. This is why having an updated computerized list of all items when goods are sold, deducting from stock inventory, is the best solution. Instead of counting each and every item, having a computerized inventory of what items were sold compared to delivery items that were stocked should be pretty accurate as to what is in inventory at a given time. This is what we did when we negotiated this fire loss for food spoilage and freezers, refrigerators. There were not any working refrigerators, no electric, everything was ruined, and we had to go through and calculate every single item. And what helped us out was having a very detailed itemized inventory, computer inventory list at that time. Look at all this inventory here that was damaged as a result of smoke, soot, and contaminants. It's all had to be replaced. Walk-in freezers, the inventory in those freezers, the building itself, business equipment, loss of income. There was a mortgage on this building, so the mortgage still had to be paid every month. There's a lot to think about. On the other hand, a roof leak. Okay, most of these policies you have for business policies, they need an opening to the roof, allowing either rain, snow, sleet to enter in through that specific opening, causing interior damages to the building and or any business personal property, such as this. Most businesses and commercial policies need the wind force to create an opening in the roof, allowing rain, snow, sleet to enter through that opening. See the hole right in the hallway here? Oh, the ceiling collapse above that. There's a tarp on the roof, but the roof blew off. This picture, this was a claim we handled. The entire roof blew off from straight line winds. We really thought it was a tornado, but it was determined straight line winds. Tore the whole entire roof off down to the plywood. And it caused a tremendous amount of interior damage below. You have to take necessary precautions to protect the property from further damage by installing tarps. In this shot here, this actually was the flat roof. It was a flat hot tar roof. The seam uplifted from the wind getting underneath and split it. We had to do a temporary repair on here. Water damage from plumbing leaks, air conditioning systems. Building must be dried out immediately in order to prevent further damage, avoiding mold issues. Vandalism. Vandalism claims have stipulations and vacancy requirements, being occupied, vacant. Some theft claims. It's important to understand that having proper documentation and photographs, invoices, receipts, canceled checks is critical when making a theft claim. So thank you for watching. And if you have a commercial property or a business property and it sustains damage and you have any questions, please reach out to us. Our number is 215-364-4546.